Credit repair business owners, welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to be talking about how you can actually make $50,000 a month as a credit repair business owner by simply switching into selling funding. And this is just some of the results that we've been generating using this strategy. This client here got $4,200 sale. This client here actually had a $3,500 and another $8,500 sale. And if you've been selling credit repair services at $99 or $199 and you're struggling to grow beyond that, it's time to switch things up. And today I'm going to show you why selling business funding is the best and simplest way to hit 50K a month and beyond. Over the past 6 years, we've worked with over 350 credit repair business owners. It seems like it's getting harder and harder to sell credit repair, especially with all the rules. More competition is coming in and you're very squeezed as far as like how much you can sell your service for. I'll give you an example. The game in terms of like growing a business and ads specifically is who can pay the most to acquire a customer. If my customer is worth $10,000 for me and I'm willing to pay $2,000 to acquire a customer, you're charging $99 and only willing to pay $50 to acquire a customer. You're going to struggle so much to compete with me, not because I'm good, just because I'm able to sell for way more. I've been looking at the landscape recently over the past year, and I've been seeing more about like funding, learning more about it. And like once I crashed down the numbers, it just made a lot of sense that if we can switch to funding, we can do more revenue, more profit with less work. It was just like the most leveraged opportunity out there. So what I did is I actually tested it out myself and started getting leads, started getting appointments, we closed a few deals. And then I took it out to my client base and did like a beta test for like a few clients. And this is the results that we got from them. This guy here made $9,000 and then another $7,500 the day before, $4,200 deal, $3,500, $8,500 payment, $20,000 payment. And this is just July of this year, $10,000 payment, $20,000 a day, $8,000 a day, $31,000 a day. And these numbers just like broke my mind. I've never seen such results with credit repair for our clients. So once we've seen these results and all this feedback that we've been getting from our clients, we switch everyone into funding and it just crushes. So why this works so well? You know, if you sell with me, let me give you two simple reasons why the strategy is so effective. First of all is pricing. While most credit repair business owners are charging $199 to $99 a month, with our funding model, you're charging $10,000 a deal or more. And this higher price allows you to do three key things. First of all, you can work less. So let's say, for example, your goal is to make 30 grand a month. You only need to close 3 deals at $10,000 each to get there. And let's say you're bad at sales and you're closing 30%. You need 9 sales calls for the entire month to make 30 grand. Now compare that to credit repair where you would need, let's say you're charging $99, you would need 300 clients at $99. And let's say you're closing half, you're very good, you're closing half every single call. You'd still need to generate 600 sales calls to make the same amount of money with way less profit because you're spending way more money to generate 600 calls. Plus it's 20 calls a day. You have to take 20 sales calls every single day, including weekends. It's exhausting and efficient. 2, you work with better clients. Credit repair clients are often financially struggling. And I mean, we've helped CROs a lot over the past 6 years. I can listen to their calls. I have all the recording. A lot of the people can't even afford the $1 free trial for credit monitoring, while funding business owners only care about ROI. But when you compare that to funding, you're selling to business owners, and business owners only care about one thing, which is results and ROI. So they'll gladly pay you 10 to 15% of the total funding amount because they know once they have the money, they can grow their business and make more. So it's a win-win. They don't have to overthink it. So it's actually very clear that funding is easy to scale and simpler business to scale because there isn't that much complexity. If you want to hit 100 grand a month with funding, you need 10 to 15 clients a month. With credit repair, you need 1,000 clients per month. That's 33 sales, not sales calls, closed deals every day at $99 to get to that 1,000 clients a month. And if you have 1,000 clients, you would need a bunch of people for support, salespeople, setters, media buyers, like a whole team just to make the same amount of money that you can make with 2-3 team members while doing funding. If you're still with me here, it should be very clear for you by now that funding is a much simpler and more profitable business model, and it allows you to scale faster without burning out. So here is how we can partner up together. Our company Funding Pros will guarantee you one key result. We will implement a proven high-ticket funding offer in your business within just 7 days of your onboarding. And if you don't hit 30 grand in revenue within 8 weeks, you simply don't pay. We'll show you how to offer funding if you have zero knowledge, like how the funding works, how you're going to deliver to the clients. We give you a full training, like it's a full long course that will exactly explain to you how funding works, how you're going to implement for your clients and everything else. Then we're going to build your marketing system so we can start generating funding leads for you, and that's all done for you. Then we're going to show you how to sell funding, and then we're going to work with you one-on-one. Once you hit that 30 grand a month revenue mark, then we're going to work with you one-on-one on how we can scale and help you build your team so you can buy your time back. If you're ready to learn about how you can make that switch, click the link below, book a call, and we'll see if we can help.